I'm Asako. From this lecture, I'm gonna show you finally how to cook the sushi rolls. Let's start to cook sushi rice. I will measure 2 cups of white rice. I put the rice in the strainer and rinse the rice. I will rinse with my hand quickly and discard the water. Wash the rice about 20 times and pour water again. Repeat this process about 2 or 3 times and drain the rice well. I will add rice in the pan. I will add 2 cups water in the pan. When I cook rice normally, the water amount is 1.2 times as much as rice. But I'm gonna add sushi vinegar later, so save the water here. I will wipe the 2 seats of 2-inch square wide cup with a wet paper towel. I put on the rice. I will cover with a lid and let it soak rice for 30 minutes. Let's prepare sushi vinegar. I'll put 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I put 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I mix them well. I put them into a small pan and turn on the heat. I'll mix it well, and once it boils, turn off the heat. Let's get back to the rice cooking. After soaking, I will turn on the medium heat and cover it. When it boils, I will turn down the low heat and simmer for 15 minutes. After turning off the heat, I'll let the rice steam for an additional 5 to 10 minutes without opening the lid. This step makes the rice fluffier. Finally, I will open the lid and remove the cup and mix the rice. I will put the cooked rice in a container and pour sushi vinegar, throwing a sputter button while rice is still hot. I'll fluff it up with a rice scoop and get rid of the moisture quickly. I'll fan to cool it down. After the top is cooled down, I will turn over the top and bottom and fan it again. I'll cover it with a wet cloth to prevent it from drying. Sushi rice has been done. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how